Hello, everyone. My name is Emily. Today, I will tell you about my calm day with my friend Mark. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. The morning is cool and fresh. I walk to the park with my friend Mark. Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Emily. You look happy today.
Yes, the air feels nice. I love mornings. We walk slowly on the small path.
Do you want to study today?
Yes, I want to learn some new English words.
Great. We can learn together.
The park is close to the library, so we walk there. Mark, do you go to the library every week?
Yes, I go 2 times every week. I like reading.
Me too. Reading makes me feel calm. We arrive at the big building. The door opens quietly. The library is very quiet. The lights are soft. People read in silence.
Emily, let's find easy English books.
Yes, I want a book with short stories. We walk between the shelves. Mark, what book is that?
It is a book about travel, easy English, and beautiful places.
Nice. I want to read it after you. We choose a quiet table near the window. Mark, listen to this. This is a story about a small town.
Good. Say it slowly.
This is a story about a small town.
Perfect. The mountains are tall and beautiful.
Wow, that sounds nice. We write new words in our notebooks. After reading for some time, we feel a little tired. We walk to the small cafe inside the library. A cup of tea, please.
I will have a coffee, please.
We sit near the window. Mark, what new words did you learn today?
I learned mountain and beautiful.
Good words. I learned town and quiet. We drink slowly and relax. We go back to our table. Mark, what does this word mean?
It means a place to stay.
Oh, thank you.
Emily, you read very well. Your voice is very clear.
Thank you. I try to improve every day. After studying, we walk outside.
Emily, do you like learning English?
Yes, I like it a lot. It helps me grow.
Learning together is easier.
Yes, and more fun. We go to a small cafe near the library. I would like a bowl of soup, please.
I would like a sandwich, please.
Mark, what is your goal for English?
I want to speak confidently.
That is good. You already speak very well.
Thank you, Emily. You help me a lot.
After lunch, we sit on a bench.
Emily, let's practice speaking.
Sure. What makes you happy today?
Learning with you makes me happy. Why do you learn English?
I learn English for my future, and I love learning. The sun is going down. Mark, today was a beautiful day.
Yes, a calm day, a good day, a learning day.
Let's study again tomorrow.
Yes, I would like that.
Learning English takes time, but you are doing a great job. You are learning. You are growing. Small steps every day make big progress. Keep going. You can do it. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.